Alright, here we go.
You ready? Okay, Jameson.
Watch out, Levi. It's my haircut. It's my haircut.
Not really getting much, is it?
We need to get some thicker, better clippers. You want me to do it? I think I understand how it should be done. Yeah, you gotta like hold his head.
Come here, Levi. These clippers aren't Jameson! Hey, Jameson! We're gonna have half of a head. Jameson! Jameson!
Excuse you.
Oh man, that looks awful. You should do a mohawk, big mohawk strip. Wait a minute, I want half out and half off.
Oh my gosh, you poor kid. We need to get some better clippers.
It's the clippers. It has nothing to do with me. Well, and he's holding still so well.
What do you think, Levi? Hi, Jameson. You want me to take over for a little bit? Christine? Yeah.
You look like a Hare Krishna.
We need to get it like, yeah, we need to go.
Krister, I know what I need to get it like. The clippers don't work.
Alright, I'm buying a pair of new clippers tomorrow. Okay?
Why don't you wait until we get to Italy?
Why? Their
Because,
plugs are fine.
Krister, it'll be a while before this grows out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we've got a couple months.
Hey, Jameson.
You poor kid. Yeah, get to the front, too. Christine.